To edit your Google Business profile categories on your desktop, go to business.google.com while logged in. If you have more than one, select the right business, click Edit Profile, then click on Business Category. On mobile, open the Google Maps app, tap on Business in the bottom right corner. If you manage multiple profiles, tap on your business name and select the one you want. Then tap on Edit Profile and tap on Business Category. Here you can add a primary category and up to 9 extra categories. If they honestly fit your business, add as many as possible. Start typing, and Google will suggest the closest match from its list of 4,000 plus categories. You can't invent your own categories, so you have to choose one from that list. How to choose your best Google Business profile category. Method 1. Keyword research. Brainstorm terms starting from obvious main terms, like dentist, dental clinic, to main services or products, like dental implants. Use an SEO tool like Ubersuggest. Go to keyword ideas, select your language, and select your location. Then write the keywords you brainstormed. With the free version, you should still be able to do 1 to 3 free searches per day. It will also give you other keyword ideas that you might not have thought of. Export them in Excel or Google Sheets, or just write down the volume and SEO difficulty. How do you decide which one is the best keyword for your category? You can simply choose the one with the highest monthly search volume, but if you're starting out, it's worth taking into account the SEO difficulty. I use a quick formula to find the best opportunities. Search volume multiplied by 100 minus SEO difficulty. Autofill the rest of the rows, and then sort by the highest score. This helps you find keywords with the best mix of high volume and low difficulty. The highest result usually is the best one to choose. Method 2. Match the category to your business. It's always worth doing keyword research first, but if you specialize in one niche, it might be better to choose a category like pediatric dentist instead of dentist, even if it has more search volume. You can also redo keyword research more specifically for variations like dentist pediatric or dentist pediatrician. Method 3. Find competitor categories. Use the free Chrome extension GMB Everywhere. It only works on Chrome. Search your main service plus city on Google Maps like Dentist Chicago and Dental Clinic Chicago. The category with the star is their primary one. Scroll through the top 3 to 5 listings for each keyword. If they all use the same primary category, that's probably what's ranking best in your area. In this example, even if I searched dental clinic, the primary category was always dentist, making it the best choice. But don't just copy. Make sure it actually fits what you do. If you're specialized on something more specific like dental implants and people are searching for it, that niche category might help you show up higher and attract better leads. And that's it. I'm Tom Liu, a local SEO nerd, expert, who helped a clinic go from 13 to 81 new patients a month, tripled their website traffic in 5 months and 6x year over year. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.